Hello kids! Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Triangle, heart, circle, square, hexagon, rectangle, brown color, lilac color, yellow color, sky blue color, grey color, aquamarine color, triangle, heart, circle, square, hexagon, rectangle. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next video. Bye bye.